To start tracing our cell phone stand, let's go ahead and import a photo of it into Fusion. So let's search up thingiverse.com. And in Thingiverse, let's search up cell phone stand exceed. So it'll be the only result that shows up. Let's go ahead and click it. And you'll notice that we have two things. We have a photo of it and we have an STL file of it. So we're not going to use the STL file. The STL file will be hard to edit. We're going to download the photo instead. So right click on the photo and click Save Image As and rename it something easy for you to find, but save it onto your desktop. So I'm renaming mine Cell Phone Stand Picture. Back to Fusion now. Let's go to Insert and let's click Canvas. So Canvas is like adding a photo for us to trace. It gives us two options, image or face. Face is asking us to choose which plane we want to place the image on. Since it's a side view, as we can see in Thingiverse, it would be best to choose one of the left or right planes. I'm going to choose the left side plane. So my face is selected. I'm clicking Image now, and let's find that JPEG that we just downloaded to our desktop. So I called mine Cell Phone Stand Picture. So let's go ahead and click Cell Phone Stand Picture, and then we're going to click Open. Notice how our photo is really small. This is an important step for us to follow. We're going to scale it, so click that corner and type in the number 9 where the number 1 shows up. This way our photo will be to the correct size of our cell phone stand and it won't become really small when we're 3D printing it. Please double check that you scaled your photo by 9, and then after you're done scaling it by 9, click OK.